The mystery that plagues all speculators is what trading approach is the one that's going to make me money, and I don't have to worry about losing more money in flawed approaches of trading. What you're saying is there's a method out there that is better than everyone else. I'm humbly submitting to you, you have found it. It's not costing you anything, but it's going to require some work. It's going to require some time, effort. It's going to feel like you can't get it. It's going to feel like you're never going to understand it. That's all normal. It's all normal. But you'll get it. There's folks in my 2016 group that couldn't get it. They got it now. It took them a couple of years. Others, they get it real quick. I don't understand why some get it quicker than others. I just know that it's like that. And you might be one of those slower learners. It's okay. I was a slow learner. But once you learn it, it's yours. You don't forget it. It's like riding a bike. And that should be your passion and your pursuit, to get to know how to do this like riding a bike. You can put the bike down for a couple of years and then get back on it again, and just like you never stop riding it. And that's a comfort and a confidence that is something that I can't articulate into words. And if you are able to find consistency and profitability